She just wanted my food.
My dude.
She got it a couple times.
What?
Bombs.
Bomb bag.
Blue sides.
Here's that.
Come blow each other up.
What?
Get the slag to the primal. Down Logan. Interrupt it.
How do you have that? I was gonna say, how do you have that on? That guy. There is a bomb bag right there, but...
This is the Monstercat Podcast.
Sorry, man, you gotta hit a on this one.
Burn it. Execute. Fuck yeah. Get the foreman.
Foreman.
No more heals can go off on the foreman either. Drag the next leg to the primal. Focus the foreman though, just cleave off of the foreman. Alright, on the slag. On a lemonies, this one right here. Skull.
Yeah, be closer.
Interrupt it. Interrupt it. There.
Spread for fire.
Yeah, on the primal. Blow it up. Pots.
You don't want to stand by me. I'm trying to get away from you.
Sorry, I had to grab that fire. Or the security guard.
I know. I saw.
Get it! Oh, beautiful. Clump everything up on the guards and blow it up. Blow them up.
Alright, going out.
Get them out of the guard or out of the thing. Don't stun them in there or anything.
There you go, they're out.
Spread out with volatile fire. Alright, get the next leg to the thing.
Almost dead. Don't kill
Stop
that
the
one. Don't kill that
DPS
one.
on it, interrupt it. Miss you get there quick. Never mind. The next one there. This one's on Bryce.
Yep.
Let's interrupt it and get a little closer. Thank you. Bryce!
Shit.
Oh my. Okay, next leg. We mind control a guard and hit this leg.
Yep, I'm bringing you guys to go.
You don't need to bring it.
So he's
Get closer, guys. Get closer.
stand on there until
Just hit this leg. Reckless. Logan, get on the primal.
I'm right in.
I'm dead.
I was trying to get away from the.
That power guy.
Get him up. Everybody on the primal.
Heal me, Riley.
Get the next leg right next to it. I can't run any farther back. Gallerus, make sure you're close.
Right on top of him.
Okay. AoE the shit out of this stuff. Down the primal. Kill it. Let's get the next thing right next to the primal as well. One that's on Turok. How many guards you got, Anthony?
2. I killed one myself.
If you don't have volatile and you have a slag on you, get next to the primal. Get on the primal. Heroes up.
Will I become what I became again?
Why is that primal
Will
not
I
dead?
become what I became when we were only friends? If not, I think I might just ride again.
Burn it.
'Cause I remember when you said it's the smartest way.
Back. Get in the back. Burn everything down.
A lot of ads.
I've got him.
Try not to stun them until they're in position. Spread out for volatile. Keep the boss right where he is. Go ahead and move him about 15 yards.
Okay. Hell yeah.
He's in that. There you go.
3. I'm down.
Get him up. I'm tiding.
What's up? Rebuff fort.
We have a lot of ads.
Well, we can't kill the slags. Don't focus on them. Just kill boss.
Taunting.
Move him. Move him. Move him.
I got Milton.
5K. 2.
Use a cooldown for the third. Get an external on him if we can. Go ahead and drag him. About 10 yards. Just a short one.
There.
Yep.
And Lametti just.
Make sure we drop the melts on the left hand side if we can. Move him, move him, move him.
That's 2. That's 2.
I got him.
And the
What's
next
on me?
boss,
Coming
we
back
get
to us.
Fox. Fox in the next boss. With him.
Just probably Fox now.
That's 2.
Dragon.
We need him.
He's taking a lot of damage.
Galler's fault.
Bell's taking one.
Melt out of the way, whoever this is. Hunter. Gallers.
I got 14 seconds.
That's fine. I'm popping cooldowns as they come up.
Drag him a little bit.
I still got. Okay, I took it.
I'll use amp on the next blast.
Execute.
Amp is up. Drag him a bit.
You eat a cookie if you haven't. Personals if you haven't.
enough.
Stop moving, I can't catch you. Hold it.
I said a bit.
There's revival.
Fuck,
Boys, nothing like last attempt or anything.
money.
Super duper. Nice.
Pray that is your only dead.